Hello India. Welcome to Naipal Hamirpur. Today we are going to discuss about NCERT math solution for class 10th. This is chapter 1 real number exercise number 1.2. According to our first question, express each number as the product of its prime factor. First of all, we have to take out the prime factor by prime factorization method or any other method. First number is 140. So let's take out the factor. Divided by 2 we would get 70. Again divided by 2 we get 35. Now it cannot be divided by 2 or cannot be divided by 3. Then it must be divided by 5. 7 ja and again by 7 1. So we can write here that 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. Power of 2 2. Power of 5 1. Power of 7 that is also 1. So in fact of 156 we are going to solve this. 156 divided by 2. 7 ja 14, 8 ja 16. Again by 2, 39. Now by 3, 13 and by 13. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 13. So we can write it as 2 power 2 multiplied by 3 power 1 multiplied by 13 power 1. Now the next digit is 3825. So it is divisible by 5. Let's check it with 3. 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 2 13. 13 plus 5 18. So it is divisible by 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 7 ja 21. 3 5 ja 15. So in that case again it's divisible by 3. 3 4 ja 12. 3 2 ja 6. 3 5 ja 15. And now it is divisible by 5. If we divide it by 5, 5 8 ja 40 and 5 5 ja 25. Again divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 7 ja 35. Now 17 is the prime factor. So we can write here 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So we can write it as power of 3 2 and 5 power 2. Now let's move on to the next. Multiplied by 17. Here we have which we have missed yet. In that case 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 17 power 1. We have the next digit as 5005. 5005. Here we goes 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So we can say that it is divisible by 5. 1 ja 0 0 1 ja. And now it must be divisible by 7. Then divided 7 1 ja 7. 3 0 30. 7 4 ja 28. 2 7 3 ja 21. And now it must be divisible by 11. How many times? 11 1 ja 11 3 ja 33. And next one is 13 because it's prime number. 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. So right power 5 power 1 multiplied by 7 power 1 multiplied by 11 power 1 multiplied by 13 power 1. So in that case we have 7429, 7429, which is divisible by 17. How many times? 17 4 ja 68, 6 2 62, 17 3 ja 51, and remainder 13 139. 17 4 ja 68, 6 2 62, 17 3 ja 51, and 11 119, 17 7 ja 119, and again it must be divisible by 19. How many times it's divisible? 19 2 ja 38, 38 plus 5, 5 7 57, 19 3 ja 57, and 23 is again the prime number. So we can write it as 17 multiplied by 19 and multiplied by 23. Power of 17 is 1, multiplied by power of 19 is also 1, and power of 23 is also 1. If you are getting confused with anything, then you may ask it to me. Otherwise, I will tell you what the things is confusable, what things you can get confused. So I am going to make colorful lines between all of these factors, by which you must be very careful for that. The first line, here we goes. Seven power 1, this. The second line will be this. The third line will be here, this, because there are power also, so you have to get that. And we are going to write power with the help of another ink. 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 2 and 1 1 1 and 1 and 1. Power of 17 is 1, power of 19 is also 1, and power of 23 is also 1. Blue color indicates power. Blue color indicates power, and red color indicates base. Red color indicate base. So now you will get cleared with this. If there is any doubt, then you may ask it. Now let's move on to the next part, where we have find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM multiplied by HCF is equal to product of two numbers. In the first case we have two numbers as 26 and 91. Let's note that 26 and 91. First we have to find out the numbers. So this is 26 divided by 2, 13. 2 multiplied by 13. This is 91 divided by 13 7 ja. Yes, 7 multiplied by 13. So we can say that HCF is equal to and LCM is equals to. We can also take out the common factors, but here we have that 13 is the common factor. So HCF will be the common factor which is greater 13, and LCM will be 2 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 7. 7 to the 14. 14 into 13 is equal to 182. Now what do we have to do? We have to find out the next thing. By this property, LCM multiplied by HCF is equal to product of two numbers, we have to verify that. So notice down, what is LCM? 182. What is HCF? Multiplied by 13. And what is the next number? That is 26 multiplied by 91. Because these are the numbers and this is what the things we need. If we are asking about this is HCF, what is this? LCM. HCF. This is the first number and this is the second number. If we multiply both of them, then we get 2366 on both of the sides. In this way we can prove that. This is the first part, and in the next case we are going to solve the second part. So if you want to take a screenshot, then pause it and take it. Now the first part is 510 and the second part is 92. So in that case we can say that if we have them, then divided by 2, 2s, 5s and 5s. 5, 5, 10 to 12 divisible by 3, 3, 8s, 24, 3, 5s, again 8, 5, 13 divisible by 5, 1s, 7s, and 17 is already a prime number. In our 92 divisible by 2, 4s, 6s, again divisible by 2, 2s, 3s, and 23 is already a prime number. So we can write here is equals to, for 510 and 92. For 510 the factors are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 17, and for 92 we have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 23. Here we can say that 2 is common, so HCF will be 2, and in that case we have LCM to be multiplied. The common 2, another 2, another 3, 5, 17 and 23 to be multiplied. So if we multiply these numbers, then we get that what the numbers are. So if we multiply, then we get, let's multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, and 17 6s are 102, 1020 multiplied by 23. If we know the table of 23, then we can say that 23 zeros are 0, 23 2s are 46, and again 4, 23 1s are 23. 23,460 will be our LCM, and then after we can say that by the property we have to prove it. Let's erase this to get very clear. Now note down the property by which we were going to solve. LCM multiplied by HCF is equal to first number multiplied by second number. What was the LCM? 23,460 multiplied by what is HCF? That was 2. What is the first number? That is 510. And what is the second number? 92. If we multiply both of these number, then we get 2 zeros are 0, 2 6s are 12, carry 1, 2 4s are 8, 1 9, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. 46,920. And here also we get 46,920. So in this way we can prove that. Now let's do the third part. If we are going to solve the third part, then we must have to erase this. Let's erase it and then start. First number is 336 and second number is 54. Let's take out the factor 336 and 54. Divisible by 2, we can write here 1 ja, 6 ja, 8 ja, again by 2, 8 ja and 4 ja, again by 2, 4, 2, again by 2, 2, 1, again by 3, 7. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. For 54, divisible by 2, 27, divisible by 3, 9, divisible by 3, 3, divisible by 3, 1. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And here we have only 2 as common. So HCF will be, one more thing is in common, 3. HCF is equals to 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6. And LCM will be, the common thing write first, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by the other 2's, 1, 2 and 3, which 1, 2 and 3, and what the thing remains, 7. Write here 7. This is also completed. Write 2 3, 1 3 and 2 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48 and 9, 9 7s are 63 multiplied by 2 3s are 6, 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48. If we multiply 48 and 63, what would we get? We get 3024. If you want to check, then you can check here. 48 multiplied by 63, 3 8s are 24 and 3 4s are 12, 2 14, 6 8s are 48, 4 6 4s are 24, 28, 4 8 4 12, carry 1, 8 2 10, carry 1, 3024. Here you got. Okay then. Now what should we have to do here? If we have find LCM, HCF, then we have to notice down and we have to verify it. For verification we have to erase it. Let's erase it. After that you can see that LCM multiplied by HCF is equals to first number to be multiplied by second number. What is LCM here? LCM was 3024. What was HCF? That was 6. What is the first number? 336. And what is the second number? That is 54. Now you can multiply it easily by 6. You will get it as 18144 is equals to the same side here. And then after, if it is cleared, move on to the next part. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. If we are applying the prime factorization method, in that way we have to do the prime factorization in each term. 12, 15 and 21. Here 12, 2 6 2 3 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Here we are going to do the 15. 3 multiplied by 5. And here we have 21. 3 multiplied by 7. So in that case, what would be the common? So HCF is the common, 3 is common, so HCF will be 3. And what is the thing that is not common? 2 2 5 7. 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60 and 6 7s are 42. 420 will be our LCM. So according to that, if you didn't get 420 how it comes, then I will tell you. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is common, and 5 multiplied by 7. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 and 12 5s are 60, 6 7s are 42 and 1 0. Okay, I hope this was clear for you. Now you have already taken LCM and HCF by prime factorization method. This factor is called prime factorization, in which each number is done factorized by separate method. Let's move on to the next part, which is 17, 23 and 29. Here we know that each of them is a prime number. So in that 17 1 ja 17. So in that 23 1 ja 23, and in that 29 1 ja 29, because every number is prime number. So we write that the LCM and HCF 17, 23 and 29. That is 1 multiplied by 17, that is 1 multiplied by 23, and that is 1 multiplied by 29. What is the HCF here? Here we have only 1 as common. What should be the LCM for this? We have to multiply these number. If we multiply these number, then we get 17 multiplied by 23 multiplied by 29. Let's do that multiplication. Then we get 11,339. Now, if we get these things, then what should we have to do? Let's move on to the next point. What is the next point here? Next point is 8, 9 and 25. Right here 8, 9 and 25. As we know, 8 2 4s are 2 2s are, and at the end 2 is already a prime number. And for 9 we can say that 3 3s are 9. For 25 we can say that 5 5s are 25. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3 and 5 multiplied by 5. Here also we does not have anything in common, so HCF will be 1. And in the next case, LCM. LCM is equals to 8 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 25, as there is nothing in common. 8 9 is 72 multiplied by 25 is equals to 1800. Now let's move on to the next part, where we have given that HCF is equal to 306 and 657 is 9. HCF is given as 9 and LCM is given as question mark. First number is equals to 306, second number is equals to 657. So how could we get the LCM? We have one formula. LCM multiplied by HCF is equals to first number to be multiplied by second number. Then in this way, if we want to need LCM, then we can say that first number multiplied by second number is to be divided by HCF. So in that case, what is the first number here? The first number is 306. What is the second number here? 657. And what is the HCF here, which is given? 9. So can we divide it? Yes, we can divide it. How many times? 9 3 are 27. 3 remains. 3 6 36. 9 4 are 36. Now what should we have to do? We should have to multiply it. Just multiply these two numbers. Then we can see what will be our LCM. So if we need to multiply 34 and 657. 4 7 are 28. 2. 4 5 are 20. 2. 4 6 are 24. 26. 3 7 are 21. 2. 3 5 are 15. 17. 3 6 are 18. 190. Add them. 8 3 6 7 13. Carry 1. 12. Carry 1. 2. 2 2 3 3 and 8 is the LCM. I hope it should be cleared very easily. Now if you want to check it, you can easily do that. Here we have to check. I need to change the ink of my pen. What is the LCM? 2 2 multiplied by 3 3 8. 2 2 3 3 8. And then after, what should we have to do? Then we have to 2 2 3 3 8 to be multiplied by 9 should be equals to the product of these two numbers, 306 and 657. 9 8 ja 72. 7. 9 3 ja 27. 30 and 34. 3 carry. 9 3 ja 27. 3 30. 3 carry. 9 2 ja 18. 3 21. 2 carry. 9 2 ja 18. 2 20. The whole number. And we have to multiply these numbers to get this for checking. So we can check here. 657 to be multiplied by 306. Just multiply by 6. 6 7 are 42. 4. 6 5 are 30. 3. 6 6 are 36. 39. The same thing, zeros. And the now multiplied by 3. 3 7 are 21. 1. 3 5 are 15 to 17. 3 6 are 18. 1. 19. Let's add them. 2 4 0 7 4 11 0 and carry 2. 2 0 1 0 4 2. 2 0 1 0 4 2. Yes, now it is correct. In this way we have got the correct LCM. Let's move on to the next. Check whether 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. If we have any natural number n and digit to be 0, then we can say that if we have 2 multiplied by 5 as factor, then we get 1 0 at unit place. So here we have 6 power n, so we can broke the 6. 2 multiplied by 3 power n. Do we have 2 multiply 5? No. So we do not have 2 multiplied by 5. In this case, then this will be containing no zeros at unit digit. Now let's move on to the next. Explain why 7 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 13 plus 13 and 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 plus 5 are composite number. There are two numbers. Let's check them. First of all, we have three numbers in multiplication. 11 7 is 77 multiplied by 13 and plus 13. 13 7 is 91, 9 carry. 13 7 is 91 and 9. It will be 100. Plus 13 will be 1014. So this is composite number. In the next case, we have 7 6 are 42, 42 5 are 210, 210, 21 4 are 84, 840, and then after 840 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 and plus 5. 3 2 is 6, 6 0 is 0. And here we have plus 5. 7 6 are 42, 42 5 are 210, 210, 21 4 are 84, 840. Something to be missing. Let's check it. After getting that, we have 7 6 are 42 multiplied by 5 4 are 20 multiplied by 3 2 are 6, 1 nothing here, and 5. Okay, 6 2 are 12, and again we have 42 2 are 84, 0 multiplied by 6 plus 5. 6 0 is 0, 6 4 is 24, 6 8 is 48 to 50 plus 5 is equal to 50 45. This is also a composite number. So in that case, we move to the next. Here we have, there is a circular path around a spot field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive round, this is misprint, of the field. This is n round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. for the same. Suppose they start from the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. This is circular field. They are starting from here in the same direction. This is Ravi and this is Sanya. If we mean they are going to the same direction, then what should we have to do with these two digits? If we have same thing to discuss in same direction, then we have to take out LCM because they are getting common. So LCM of 18 and 12 is equals to 18 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, and of 12 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. This is in common. So 2 2s are 4. This is also in common. 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. 36 minute. How it comes? 2 in common, 3 in common, 2 in not common and 3 in not common. So it comes 36. So we can say that in the same direction if they are moving on, then they will meet at the starting point after 36 minutes. Thank you for watching this video. If you are satisfied with our video, then kindly support us. Please like, comment, subscribe and share our video. Stay home, stay safe.